Hello everyone, from Tony, the Scout Ghost. Today I'm going to try with you this cable for Quest Link by Syntech, a Chinese company. I just got it a few days ago from the company, so I'm going to open it with you and make a quick test with my PC and play some games. So it's time to open the box. Let me break the seals. And oh, the inside there is a big cable with the box. It's a USB-A to USB-C. It's pretty long, it should be like 5 meters. And here there is a user manual with all the instructions on how to use it. So there is also something else, which is a charging process guide. So I guess this is a quick guide. Charging process and Syntech Quest Link. So the two functions of this cable. And here there is some information. There is a QR code to go to the Syntech tutorial page. And then some information about when the battery is too much charged. There is a protection process that slows down the charge as well. So let me remove this seal now, and I can uncover. There is a LED, fast charging port, and nothing more. Okay, so the cable is pretty long, so of course you have to manage it a bit. I connected it with the USB-A port of my PC, and the LED here has become white. So it means that it's connected, and now I have this one that I should connect with my headset. So if my headset is still alive in a way. Okay, so now I connect this here. I should do this way so it doesn't interfere with the rest, I should wear it this way actually. And put it inside. I should be able to connect with a Quest Link. So here you can see I'm inside SteamVR. If I have to judge, actually the quality of the link is pretty good. So it's better than with a cheap cable. So this is very good to know. And the tracking of the rest is pretty reactive, as you may see. So this is a good thing. And that's the first test, so it's passed. Okay, so this was the first test, was the easy one. Now let's do something, hoping that it won't make my headset explode. So this is the charging cable of the Quest 3, Quest 3S, whatever. So let me attach here. And here it's written that there is a fast charge. Theoretically, I could put this here. And then if I plug this into the Quest, it should fast charge the headset while I use the Quest Link, or it will explode. Let's see which one of the two. So you heard the double sound, so I guess it means it's supercharging. And now I'll put this on my head to show that it works. So the LED is orange, meaning that it's charging. So let me put it on my head to prove that it's also working and I'm not electrocuting myself. So I'm in SteamVR again. You see it's still reactive, the quality is still very good as before. And I can also move around because I have a long cable now with which I can play. Then so also the second test is passed because now I can fast charge my headset. Okay, so a few considerations. First of all, you can use this Velcro strip that I provide with the cable to attach it to the side of the headset so the cable is managed in a better way. That's a piece of advice. And as a final review, I think there are pros and cons with this cable. The pro is that it's pretty long, the quality of the link is pretty good, and can also give you fast charging of the headset while you're using it, which is great. You see it's already full charger. The problem is that the cable is a bit thick, it's a bit heavy. so it's something you feel while you are using the headset. So maybe as a feedback for Syntech, next cable a bit more light will be better. But for the rest, it's a good product. And that's it for today. So now I have a new gadget to play SteamVR with. I thank you for watching this video. As usual, like, subscribe, donate to my Patreon, and wish me Happy New Year. Thanks for everything, and see you in VR. Bye bye.